Hi friends, this is the Bedee aquarium air pump. It's a quiet fish tank air pump, a small oxygen pump for fish tank. This can serve the purpose for 1 to 15 gallon fish tank with air stone silicone tube. And as you can see, this is really a small air pump, and this air pump comes with a filter and a pipe and a holder to put it outside or hang it outside the fish tank. This is a very quiet one, 35 decibel sound, and is easy installation. The clip is there so that you can put it on the top of it and hang it outside the fish tank. This also comes with a filter and a silicone tube that you can use to put it on one side of pump and the other to the filter in the fish tank itself. And as you can see that this is the way how to install, and the instruction, the manual is in English, so pretty helpful. So this is an aerator pump, and this is used to provide oxygen here inside the fish tank. And as I said, this is the tube, the silicone tube that comes with it. So one will go into the pump and other will go into the filter. I will show you that one. The maximum flow rate for this one is 450 ml per minute, and the frequency is 50 Hz. The tube provided is 3.6 feet around. So this is how you will fit the filter into the tube and the other side to the pump. So once it's done, and it will this is actually made of a thin piezoelectric ceramic plate and without motor or other mechanism, so it's super quiet to be placed in the bedroom, living room and office while just working in the fish tank.